All right, so I got these. I don't know if you can see that. Like right here, we got these like chips in my windshield. Yeah. We got two like rock chips. Let's try to come around to this side. Yeah. And we got that one right there. You can't really see them, but I want to make sure that they don't get any worse. So I got these windshield repair kits. All right, some instructions. I'm gonna get this set up and I'll be right back. All right, so we're supposed to clean out any loose particles from the middle with the thumbtack. And then I'm also gonna take a toothbrush and just kind of really make sure I get it all out. I'm supposed to put this around the chip. Nice and tight. And then you stick this to, you peel off the other side and you kind of, then you stick that on. You cut the tip off this and you just squeeze it in here. You then put this in here. You then put that in there and you're supposed to pull it all the way up. All right, now I'm just waiting. It says to wait like 10 minutes on the lower mark and then 20 minutes when you go to the higher mark. So let's see what that looks like when we're done. All right, so the conclusion of the Blue Star windshield repair kit. It's not gonna make the rock chip kind of go away, but it is going to keep it from spreading, just kind of like how there's still a spot. You can't really see it on the camera. Oh yeah, you can. But this was a lot bigger before I did this. And then this one over here, you really can't even see on the camera. But they were both a lot bigger. So, conclusion, definitely worth it to prevent the rock chips from getting bigger and spreading. See you guys in the next one. Peace.